Manufacturing of bricks. Phase 1. Raw material batching and mixing. Loading. A loader transfers raw materials from the storage yard into the batching machine hoppers. Weighing. The machine moves materials via belt conveyors and air cylinders into a weighing hopper based on preset data. Mixing. Materials are sent to the mixer. Hydration. A water pump adds water, and the mixture is processed for approximately 90 seconds. Phase 2. Block molding process. Feeding. The raw materials mixture is transported by a belt conveyor to the storage hopper of the block-making machine. Pallet supply. A pallet sanding machine feeds wooden PVC pallets into the molding area one by one. Primary filling. The feeder car moves forward and back, while vibration motors, working at 20 to 30 Hz, settle the mixture into the lower mold. Compression. The head mold presses down with heavy vibration, 40 to 50 Hz, to form the high-density blocks. Phase 3. Discharge and stacking. Demolding. The mold rises, leaving the finished blocks on the pallet. The pallet is then pushed onto the block conveyor. Stacking. An automatic stacker carries up to 3 pallets at a time and places them onto a curing shelf, stacking them 5 to 8 floors high. Transport. A forklift carries the loaded shelves to the designated drying area. Phase 4. Drying of bricks. The molded bricks are dried for about 7 to 14 days. Phase 5. Burning of bricks. After the molding and drying process, the bricks are placed into a kiln where they are fired at extremely high temperatures. This burning process triggers vitrification, chemically bonding the clay particles to ensure the bricks achieve their final hardness, distinctive color, and weather resistance.